there! I'm Caroline and I am so excited to welcome you to Learn to Read Level B. In this course, we'll build on everything we learned in Level A as we grow into confident, independent readers. In Level B, we'll review CVC words and practice new sight words to help us read complete sentences. We'll learn about blends and digraphs like R and S blends, or CH and SH, and explore how sounds and spellings work together. From there, we'll learn about R and E controlled vowels, long vowel patterns, and other letter sounds you'll need to read bigger and bigger words. We'll also grow our toolkit of reading strategies to build fluency and comprehension as we grow into even stronger readers. Let's take a look at what's inside a Level B lesson. When you open a lesson, you'll see a teaching video, hands-on activities, online practices, and an assessment on day 5. Each lesson takes 5 days to complete and includes a lesson agenda. This agenda helps you know what to do each day. On day 1, you'll watch a teaching video and learn a new reading skill. After you watch the video, you'll complete a hands-on activity linked in your lesson. These activities help you practice new skills in fun, creative ways. Next, you'll complete your online practice. If you completed Level A, you might remember the online practice being drag and drop. Now, in Level B, you'll answer multiple choice questions to show what you know. You'll read or listen carefully to each question and click the answer that is right, just like choosing the best answer in a game. Next, click Submit to lock in your answer. Finally, click the Next button to move on to the next question. If you get one wrong, that's okay. Every time you try, you grow as a reader. Once you earn your medal from the practice, you'll know you're done for the day. Then you'll come back tomorrow to complete new activities shown on the lesson agenda. When you finish all 5 days of the lesson, you'll take a short assessment to check how much you've learned. Once that's complete, you'll be ready to move on to our next reading adventure. The next time we're together, we'll learn new reading skills and discover how much we've grown as readers. I can't wait to learn with you. See you soon, and remember, always be clever.
Hey!